I got this for doing video editing. It's absolutely awesome. Really improved like the workflow, making it faster. Uploaded some like third-party plugins which are great. Really easy to kind of like change the settings. Like the knobs feel absolutely
Switzerland, because it's very beautiful. The site of
knobs feel like absolutely amazing. You can like swipe around to go with different settings you like. Really easy to set up, really easy to configure. So many third-party plugins you can use, and the knobs like feel like absolutely great. Can you return them both ways? You can push on them. Really good tool. Look forward to using this. Already like speeding up how I edit and get some work out that I need to do fast.
We just opened the package. This thing is already open. And the stuff is outside. I don't know if it's supposed to be outside or not. Looks like it's supposed to be in here. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know, but shouldn't there be like stickers everywhere? Yeah, this is crazy.